Hey elites, it is Steve. Welcome back to my channel. On my previous video with the band, I said if I hit 100 views then I would do another video this week incorporating some legs. I am going to do that today for you. Thank you. It hit over 400 views. I'm very grateful to be doing these YouTube videos for you guys, and welcome my new subscribers. So, before I start though, I just want to say, when you are a YouTuber, when you do YouTube videos, you get to see what age bracket follows your videos, pretty much. Mine is a lot younger than I am. So the great thing is that you benefit from me being older, more wiser, and so with that, when I was in my 20s, all I wanted to do was lift weights, and my friends just wanted to lift weights, and to be a better athlete though, I wanted to branch out from just weight training, and so I got into kickboxing, and then that was amazing. I got an incredible instructor, and then I bought a Bowflex and got into resistance training, and then I was introduced to the bands, because when I was in my 20s, I'm like, bands? Why am I going to be using bands? Well, bands have come a long way since the day that I was introduced to them. You can get up to like 100 pounds. So this particular unit, you can hold 3 bands at once. You can do 600 pounds of resistance if you use 2 bands, you put them together. That's pretty amazing. So getting back to what I was saying about, being an athlete and being older than you guys, you're going to want to change things up. For those die-hard people who just lift weights, just try to change it up, because if you are as competitive as I am, and those who are subscribed to my channel are very competitive, you're an athlete, you want to do the same things in your 30s and 40s as you did in your 20s, you might be not as fast, but you still have that aggressiveness, that competition edge, and longevity for me has been mixing things up. So, getting back to why I did this video, if you can't get to the gym, try these resistance bands. I'll put a link below to let you know where you can get them. And there's an attachment that you can put in the door. So let's start with the routine. Alright, so the first one, you'll have it around, shoulder level. We're going to be doing 2 movements. Oh, and another thing, sometimes when I do my videos, I get so into doing the routine that I won't say like how many reps or sets. I put the whole entire routine always and below. I write it all out. So, here we go. This is going to be 2 leg movements within this routine. It's going to be the backwards lunge, and then you're going to do a cross lunge with the bands. And you want to do a total of 12 reps. So the legs, each movement will have 6 reps. 12 reps, 3 sets. If you want to do more of a cardio scenario, then don't rest in between. If you want to rest, take like a 60-second rest. So, we've got good form here. Palms down, and just come back like that. There's 1, and then cross. There's 2. And what you want to do is you just want to stay on one leg for the whole 3 sets, and then switch over. You go to the other leg, same thing. That, and then cross. Now, you can do what I like doing with the band is you can do the same routine, grab them here, but palms in. So same thing, back, and then cross, and then do the same routine. Now a progression to this is a 50-pound band, so now I have 100 pounds of resistance. You can come back, same thing, just like that with single arm, and then do the same thing on the other side. So, that's the first exercise. Oh, let me see the second one. I don't even have to move anything. So the second one is going to be more of, you're going to split the bands apart. That's the top movement, but you're going to come down into a squat. So it looks like, get good form, looks like this. You're going to come down, and then you're going to have an isometric hold on the bottom, do 5 seconds, and then come up. Same thing. Now you want to run that for 12 reps, 3 sets. That's number 2. Alright, I'm going to move this. Get everything marked here, so I'm making this quick. Alright, this one. I love this one. So I'm going to turn around. So this one is palms up. What we're going to do is we are going to do a forward lunge with a punch. So it looks like, for the first move, so it looks like this. And then the second move in there is you're going to come off on an angle like this. So together, it looks like that. 1, and then there's 2. And follow the same rep set count with this exercise. Now to progression, you can go single arm and do the same thing. Forward lunge, punch, and then at that angle with a punch. And that's it. This is Elite Fitness with Steve. Hit like if you like. Subscribe and share. Thank you to all my new subscribers and the views. The site's exploding. I am so blessed and I'm so grateful. This is Elite Fitness with Steve. Take care and peace.